What's up, guys? I'm here with my first mail break ever on YouTube. I got two packages here. This one is from liveboxbreaks. This one is Laytonsportscards. Both of them were breaks, but they were very different. This is more of a pick a pack. So I bought a select pack for $49, another one for $49, OPTIC, and another OPTIC. I spent $122 here. This one was a team break, random team, and I got lucky and hit the Hawks. And the first time I did a break with them, I hit the New Orleans Pelicans on select basketball, and I had 3 Zions, so that was pretty sweet. Anyway, let me go ahead and open these up first. Let me see what $122 got me at Live Box Breaks. Pick a pack. Alright. Didn't do too good there, but alright. I can't expect to hit big every time. Got a couple. I sent a couple of these. These are reusable right here. These little baggies. Alright, this is my 2 OPTIC packs. Horrible. Not a single rookie. And got 2 inserts. Hollow, a purple hollow insert. Then this is my 2 select. Got my 2. A main hit was this Dan Marley autograph, which is pretty cool, but not really what I wanted. Numbered 69 to 99. And then these are the rest of the select tricolor Russell, Grant Williams Rui rookie, Blake Griffin, Paisley Silver rookie, Miles Turner, Carson Edwards rook, Terry Rozier, and another Darius Baisley rookie card. It's crazy because I just bought a couple Darius Baisley select off of eBay, super dirt cheap, and then I hit this. All right, and that was that right here. Live box breaks, and then this one was for my team break. Got the Hawks. Wasn't too bad. I mean, of course you want Memphis and New Orleans these days. But I'll take this. Got Reddish rookie, Fernando rookie, Collins, Fernando rookie, another Reddish rookie. Future select Reddish, DeAndre Hunter rook, another Reddish rookie, Hunter rookie, Trey Young, Fernando rook, Hunter rook, Trey Young, Hunter rook, Trey Young. Not too bad. And these are my main hits. I got a Jabari Parker. That one's numbered to 175. DeAndre Hunter silver. This one's pretty cool right here. Trey Young prism select. That's pretty cool. Anyway, I were to do it again, this is my main hits over here. My main hits, Optic, Prism Rubio, Marley autograph, and then a bunch of random stuff, which I'll take, not too bad. And then the Hawks. For some reason I thought I hit a Cam Reddish tricolor, but I guess not. It's alright, I'll take it. These Trae Youngs are actually this is the premier level, which is the second level. But other than that, got base, bunch of base, premier level with DeAndre Hunter, base DeAndre Hunter. It's alright, I'll take it. I will take it. Alright guys, right there. Alright, don't forget to subscribe and like. I'll probably do another mail day. On another day. Remember, this is my first one, so probably didn't do very great, but subscribe and like, and I'll keep them coming. Thanks.